and welcome to another video. I'm going to roll the intro and I'll let you know what kind of stupidity I'm up to today. Okay, not really stupidity. Road trip, airsoft road trip. So, this is Maddison. This is my middle daughter. My favourite middle daughter. And we are, well, start. It is Saturday the 27th of July and it's 5 AM. And we've been on the road for an hour. So yeah, there's 2 4 o'clocks in a day. And we are going down to Nottingham again. This time it's for an airsoft game day. We're going down, picking up Mark and his daughter, and then another friend's daughter, and we're going to Skirmish Nottingham. So never really done any game day footage, and to be honest, it'll probably be crap. Not the game day, the footage, or my footage, but we'll see what happens. So we're just on our way now. We've got another 2 hours of driving, and then pick people up and go airsofting. And that's how you get your 12-year-old daughter out of bed at 4 AM, well, 3:30 AM. The promise of a bacon sandwich and a day's airsofting. Does it work, Mads?
Mm-hmm.
You're on candid camera.
Car loaded up, car heavy, Muppet,
Sleepy.
smaller humans. Ow, pothole.
Took that in his ankle and obviously he was limping for the rest of the day, and we messaged him in group chat after the day and was like, how is everything, dude? And we just got the only answer we got was a picture of him leaving A&E on crutches.
Kelly. There's 2 up there. There's still people at the lodge? Yeah, there's 2. Yeah, there's people in the lodge, but they're firing up. Careful, it's still shooting in the back of the head.
They're having fun shooting.
Everyone else is just saying, night day. Come back here. Ready. What about these other people? No. Soda. Soda. Oh.
Go!
Bandit! Check your fire! Bandit! Bandit, yeah? Bandit!
Kelly.
Marshall, move your head! Marshall! Marshall will find out real quick. Now, keep your eyes on them. Push in! Get bodies inside, Marshall!
Cheers.
Find the box with it! Guys, get the vomit, push in! Run into respawn, push in! Come on!
I didn't chew any of it. It's fine.
Shelley, donut.
I wouldn't be able
I am not a donut. You are. I am not a donut.
The idea is
Yeah, but you got the green. Make up your mind. I can't make up my mind. Make up your mind, Shelley. No. Shelley. Mom.
What's upside down? You're gonna have to work it like that. Oh, you go and get this on camera then.
Yeah, like a muppet. I've broken a mount again, and I forgot the cage for this GoPro. Prat.
up to you, am I? Bye. I'll do it myself.
Do it! Yeah!
I went full fan off, so it's fine. I will do it myself.
Here's a ginger kid just over there. Can you stop this? I'll go straight down to the plane.
She's out.
Ow! Ow!
My noggin.
Ow! Ow! That was a good one.
Thank you, I missed it, I couldn't find it.
It's on the grass and it's on green side, that one. So
You could tell me earlier.
I couldn't.
Okay, thank you. Well, all three of the places.
She's got the range for that thing.
Game on!
Oh my god.
And give it cons on left side.
10 o'clock. Game over!
You need to call medic. Medic! You enjoying? You okay? Huh?
Medic!
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 Step down, please. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Knackered.
But happy.
How did did you have fun?
Yeah. Yeah. Mostly.
Mostly. Oh, dead now. Straight over.
When are we going there softly next?
Okay, so that was Skirmish Nottingham. Brilliant. Absolutely loved it. Had a great day. Dropped everyone off now, so Maddison and I have got a 3-hour drive home. And I would like to say that the staff at Skirmish were brilliant, and especially Camilla. Camilla? Was it Camilla?
I think so, yeah.
I think it was Camilla. She was awesome. So, on that note, I'd like to say if you've managed to get this far, thank you very much. And if you would consider hitting the like and the subscribe button, it would be much appreciated. Or drop us a comment. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.
Bye.
Good day.